Step into a world where style meets comfort, where every stride exudes confidence, and where your choice of footwear makes a statement. Welcome to the ultimate guide to the top 5 sneakers for men, the game changers that will elevate your fashion game and keep your feet happy. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just looking for that perfect pair, join us on this journey through the coolest kicks on the market. Navigating the ever-expanding realm of sneakers can quickly become a daunting task, particularly when the quest is to unearth the ideal pair for men, women, or children. This challenge is exacerbated by the constant ebb and flow of sneaker trends. Given the myriad choices saturating today's market, it becomes crucial to assess distinct attributes that differentiate various brands and their respective shoe designs. Considerations extend to essential elements like support, endurance, style quotient, adaptability, and overall comfort. 1. Nike Air Force 1. Joe 7 Sneaker, a timeless marvel. The Nike Air Force 1. Joe 7 sneaker stands as a true marvel in the world of footwear, showcasing a remarkable capacity to seamlessly transition from casual to formal settings. Introduced back in 1982, these sneakers have upheld their timeless allure, largely owing to their steadfast commitment to their original design. Surprisingly, even professional basketball players continue to sport them on the court, a resounding testament to their unparalleled versatility. Regarded as one of the finest white sneakers available, the AF1s have become a cherished choice for sneaker enthusiasts, perfect for an array of occasions. Be it a laid-back outing or gracing high-profile red carpet events. 2. Adidas Stan Smith Sneakers, the epitome of timelessness. Since their debut in 1965, Adidas Stan Smith sneakers have epitomized timeless style, featuring premium leather and luxurious details. Over the years, they have undergone various reinterpretations, expanding into a diverse array of options. While their minimalist aesthetic remains intact, the Three-Stripe Company periodically introduces fresh variations to the Stan Smiths. Today, you can explore a myriad of styles and materials, from suede to cotton and beyond. 3. Puma Clyde. OG Sneakers, a distinctive tribute to 50 years. In 2023, Puma commemorates the 50th anniversary of their iconic Clyde shoe, coinciding with the half-century since Walt Clyde Frazier led the New York Knicks to their last NBA championship. These sneakers, available in a spectrum of captivating colors, including a striking cherry red, radiate a classic retro coolness that's challenging to replicate. Much like the preceding entries on our list, this silhouette is a quintessential addition for devoted sneaker enthusiasts. 4. Nike Air Jordan. Mid-pioneering coolness and support. Acknowledged as the pioneering force behind an entire movement, the AJ1 holds a unique status in the realm of basketball shoes. With each passing year, new and sought-after colorways hit the market, swiftly finding their way into the hands of enthusiasts. Michael Jordan's signature sneakers exude an irresistible coolness and surprisingly offer remarkable arch support, defying expectations for a design rooted in the past. When it comes to the best sneakers for men, these remain a highly recommended choice. 5. Adidas Forum 84 High Shoe, a modern rendition of classic support. Unearthing high-top sneakers that effortlessly marry style and robust support can often feel like a formidable challenge. Yet Adidas has truly outdone itself with the Forum 84s, a testament to its commitment to delivering both fashion and function in a single package. These sneakers are more than just footwear. They're a nod to a cherished bygone era, skillfully resurrecting the timeless hardwood classics with a modern and contemporary twist. This fusion of tradition and innovation is what sets the Forum 84s apart. But what's even more appealing is their accessible price point, which stands as a beacon of affordability, especially when compared to other stylish alternatives in the market. To top it off, these sneakers offer a diverse palette of colors, providing an extensive array of options to cater to an array of style preferences, ensuring you can find the perfect pair that aligns perfectly with your unique fashion sensibilities. So, whether you're a fan of retro coolness or a modern trendsetter, the Forum 84s have you covered. In the world of sneakers, choices are abundant, and each pair tells its unique story. As we conclude this journey through 5 exceptional sneakers for men, remember that the right footwear is more than just a fashion statement. It's an expression of your personality and a gateway to unparalleled comfort. If you found our video informative, kindly like the video and also subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.